Hey everyone, got an interesting little heater for you today. It's a heat stream by ArvinAir, and I believe that this is sort of a transitional model when ArvinAir changed hands over to Adobe Air out of Phoenix, Arizona. This happened sometime in the 90s, and that's when this heater is from. So anyway, what we're going to do is take a look around it. I'll show you around this thing. Here's the control panel. You can see the heat stream. I had seen later heaters under the heat stream by Adobe Air before. This is the fan. I think it's a little four-bladed unit. Here's the reflector pan. And this thing's a bit dirty and rusty, so I'm going to need to clean that. And here's one of the warning labels on the top front of it, basically stating to keep it away from combustible things. And we'll go ahead and turn this around, and I'll show you the back of it. It's nothing overly exciting. You can see where the cable comes out. There's also a label down on the lower right-hand side, and that contains some warnings as well as the heater's model information. You can pause here if you want to really take a look at this. And so, yeah, back of it, like I said, nothing really overly exciting. So we'll go ahead and turn it around. And we'll get the cable connected here. You can see the power light come on when we plug it in. And the thermostat knob's kind of stiff. We'll get it turned on. It operates pretty quietly. The fan seems to run with a bit of a vibration, so that's something I'll try to remedy. I'll also, while I'm inside it, oil the motor up. Now, as far as its heat output goes, it's a little disappointing because the reflector pan is rusty. So it doesn't put out the heat level that it should, because the reflective part of that is what makes these radiant type heaters work. So it's going to be an interesting little thing in a future video to show the process of that. And we'll see how it goes. It may involve removing the heating elements from it. So we shall see. Anyway, I'll let you listen to it for a moment or two here. And we'll go ahead and turn the heater off. And so with that, I hope you enjoyed seeing this old heat stream get put through its paces. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button below. And if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because we will have more to come. And so with that, we will see you later.